wonder if that will have anything to do with it. Went to turn it on because I need to roll the window down just to get the trim out. I'm gonna roll all of them down. I don't know if you can see that. It's reading what gear it's in now. That means it'll possibly start over, or turn over, sorry. Unreal. Well, it runs, but turn the key right off. Making some headway on the truck. We got it to run. Had a little bit of a scare, thought it was on a runaway. Turned the key off, it didn't shut off. Our ECM fuse, or sorry, relay, has constant power when it shouldn't. So I pulled it all apart and the circuit board is just absolutely trashed with corrosion. So we're gonna go get one of those today, hopefully. Little trim pieces and stuff, you know, need this fuse cover. Yeah, overdone. Little odds and ends. Got a pigtail here, missing some, obviously missing the pigtail. So we gotta have to find where the fog lights are, so we'll have to do some crawling around underneath. But yeah, we were able to get everything running. Fuse box in. Fires up. More importantly, truck dies now. So I just had to pull the truck into the shop to take the box off and running rough as per usual. And then all of a sudden it cleared itself up. Here's the injector rates. Got some 37 stuffed in here. You can see up there. 2 on the roof rack. Man, never would have got him in the Mazda.
Little late night interior removal. Got to take the dash out, put a new bag in. Yeah.
I do have lines on a Cocoa Dune interior, so all brown like Denali. Thinking, see if Buddy gets back to me if it's a decent price since I have it out. Man, I think that'd be sharp. Nice Cocoa Dune interior, white. Oof, buddy, sick. Mechanic. Yeah, mechanic.